Hello YouTube. I was tagged to give my EDC, so let's get started. Got my wallet, and I always try to carry one of my Leatherman folding knives. This is a Leatherman Crater, the pocket clip, plain edge blade. What I really like, one of the features I really like about this is it comes with the Leatherman bit driver, and what makes it irresistible is the carabiner. I also like to carry, of course I always have a bandana, I like to carry this Swiss Army knife. I don't know what model it is, but it has a locking blade. This is the unlocking lever right here. Kind of like having the locking blade on this. One thing I don't care for is the corkscrew. I'd just as soon not have that. But this one comes with a saw. So I'm willing to put up with the corkscrew to have the saw and the locking blade. Now, I always have my phone, which is doing the recording right now, and my keys. And what I have attached to the key ring, in addition to keys, is this Leatherman Squirt PS4. And of course the PS4 comes with knife blade, scissors, and pliers, which I like. I also have this little Streamlight nano light. Kind of like it. I have a Inca pen to write with, and from Night Eyes, this bottle opener. It's also a carabiner. Got to have carabiners. Now, when I'm going to be in the woods, if I have the opportunity, I like to bring a binocular, looking at birds or something. So, now, obviously, I wouldn't go out into the woods without a full-size multi-tool. In this case, it's a Charge, a Leatherman Charge, in camo, of course. So, that's about it concerning the EDC. Now, I want to share something with you about multi-tools. I was standing in line at the store the other day when my multi-tool radar starts buzzing, and I see an item hanging there near the cash register, and the packaging says multi-tool lighter. Well, of course, I had to take a look, and I ended up purchasing this. It says Premium Spark, and it's supposed to be a combination of a lighter and a multi-tool. Now, the lighter it works about half the time, but not today. There we go. Well, the multi-tool, according to, well, anyway, it has a knife blade. This knife blade's about the size of a knife blade on a Swiss Army knife classic, the little small Swiss Army knives. Now, this knife blade has the added feature of maneuverability. It goes up and down. Yeah, it's nice and loose. It comes with this. Apparently, this is the bottle opener. And of course, it has the corkscrew, which we all know how valuable that is in an emergency. So, here you have it. The Premium Spark that is not producing a flame. So, thought I'd share that with you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.